Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with UnlockBoot's official YouTube channel, and in today's video we have a tutorial for you guys for how to properly remove and reinstall your screen protector. So in this video we have a screen protector for the iPhone XR, which will be linked down in the description below. We highly recommend it as it includes everything that you need to do in this process. So first, you are going to want to start by removing the current screen protector. Usually using a credit card or debit card is the best way to lift it up from the phone, lift it from the corner, and then you're good. From there, you want to clean up the screen protector if you're reinstalling it. So in this video, we actually reapply a different one. However, if you are reinstalling the same one, you want to make sure that you clean it up really well. That's what we're doing here. So make sure you use, wet wipes, dry wipes. And the reason that we recommend this screen protector kit is because it includes everything that you need, including, the setup menu, the instructions, all that stuff. It's there. Anyways, once you finish wiping down the phone, make sure that everything is good and you get all the dust, lint, any specks that you can physically see. Make sure you get that. And also, if you buy this specific screen protector, we include a little sticker that has a dust remover, so that also works. Next, I'm going to put on the frame on top of the phone here, and this actually helps us line up the screen protector perfectly so you don't have to guess. And it's a lot easier applying these screen protectors on these iPhones compared to the older ones, as they don't have home buttons. So all you have to do, line it up, and then again let it do its thing. And here I accidentally push a little too much, and then that's where we get a little line. However, we ended up cleaning it up at the end and finishing it all up, and it looks good. Don't worry, I ended up going around the edges here. So yeah, guys, this was a quick instructional tutorial for how to properly reinstall a screen protector on iPhone XR. If you guys enjoyed, please leave us a thumbs up. Signing off is Drake, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.